Hi there my YouTube viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Beauty Health, also known as Asia Love. In today's video, I'm just showing you my easy go-to makeup look, my soft glam makeup look. I couldn't find my lash glue when I was recording this, so I didn't put on lashes, it's just straight up mascara. So I want to show two of my favorite lashes to wear. So this first pair is these 3D faux minks by the black print that I got from the beauty supply store. These are just in the style Liz. I love the way these look on me, and I will insert a picture with me wearing them. And then the next pair of lashes that I love has been these 25mm mink lashes from that I love from my brand, and these are in this style Classy. This is what they look like. I will insert a picture with me wearing them, but if you would like to buy some lashes from me, you can check out lipshotline.com, and they'll linked up below and linked down below, also in the description box. So that's pretty much it. I'm not going to talk you guys ear off, so if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. And yeah, let's just hop right into the video if you want to see how I got this pretty easy natural beat. Hey guys, I know this is a little weird, but here we are today doing a little voiceover. So I'm starting off this makeup look by moisturizing my face with my Pond's moisturizer. I'm priming with my Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer.
Boy, I love this.
I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 410, and I'm just going to blend this out with a beauty blender. I'm now going in with my Fenty Beauty shade in the 420, and this is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. Now I'm concealing again with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Cinnamon, and I'm setting my face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 355 Coconut. I'm now setting my concealer with the Black Radiance Banana Powder. The stuff does miracles, so you should definitely get it if you haven't already. Now it's time to add some color to the face. I'm using this e.l.f. blush in the shade Brick Red. And to look more 3D, we add in some contour, and this is also a Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in the shade 375 Java. Time to set the face with some Morphe. Now that I'm done playing with my lace and trying to cover it up, it's time to go in with some mascara to add some volume to these lashes. And in this case, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. Cannot talk today. lips, I'm gonna go in with the black lip liner. I did this very faint and very light and with the easy hand, so that way it can appear more brownish than it will black. Haven't guessed already, of course we're going in for that 90s lip liner look, and I'm going to apply this clear gloss. You're going to get this on the Lips Hotline website that's going to be linked down below, and I'm using the plain Jane gloss here.
I walk in the bank in the line. I walk in the bank in the line. I walk in the bank in the line.